This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Bellevue Gold Limited. Bellevue Gold is an Australian gold exploration and development company trading on CBOE AUS under the ticker BGL.ASX, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To trade BGL.ASX, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BGL.ASX to locate Bellevue Gold Limited. Select the listing that shows CBOE AUS to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the Bellevue Gold Limited asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm that the page displays the BGL.ASX ticker and the CBOE AUS listing before proceeding. Click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the order. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled. Check the link in the description to open the eToro page used in this tutorial.